You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
Trinell.
And we're still in the North Shore and we're checking out Ice Factory.
Oh, it's just so.
You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
Trinell.
And we're in the North Shore and we're checking out Snow Factory.
Yes. So they're known for their shaved ice and their shaved ice cream. They have a lot of toppings on there, but it's a perfect treat to have right after you have some shrimp scampi, all right?
Let's go check it out. I got the Rainbow Bridge. It has strawberry, banana, and vanilla.
Yeah. I got the shaved ice cream, honeydew melon. I got mochi balls and mango pop. So there's a lot of different flavors you can add to their shaved ice cream.
And a lot of different toppings as well.
Yep.
They actually have like a section where it already shows what their most popular combinations are. So they make it easy.
But it's perfect to have right after Giovanni's or Hano's, which was better than Giovanni. Mango pop with the mochi balls.
Which is the mango pop?
The yellow looking mango pop.
Really? That don't look mango.
Yo, this is fire. So, again, pops, right? I don't know if you ever had it, but it's like an explosion in your mouth.
They look like tapioca balls, but then when you
bite into it,
it's just like juice is just burst in your mouth.
It squirts everywhere.
Yeah, it's kind of good. All right, let's try this one. This is their traditional shaved ice. This is a real ice. We went to some other place like right by Diamond Head. They had this little stall right by Diamond Head where they were like selling shaved ice. That was like ice cubes, and they just put like
shit was not real
sauce. It was whack.
It's so soft when you actually.
This is nice and refreshing.
And don't have any nice shoes on, or wear all white shoes when you're eating this shit, because you will be mad.
And that's why you gotta wear flip-flops here. This is refreshing. Perfect day.
Yep.
Right now, because it's a little warmer today than the other days we're here.
Humid.
Yeah, it's humid, so
it's perfect. I'm telling you, it's a perfect way to end eating some of the other food trucks here.
Yeah, especially if you go on adventures. This is a good cliff diving spot in North Shore. If you guys know some cool cliff diving spots in Hawaii, let us know. Put it in the comments below. I want to try to check it out. And also some cool places to eat as well. We'll try to check it out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So that way,
the bell too, right?
Yeah, the bell. So you get notifications of videos that come out. We drop 2 videos a week. And also, we drop videos on Tuesdays and also Thursdays.
Check it out.
And we do it about 3 p.m. Pacific time. And do me a favor, also share this with your family and friends because they'll love it. And we're going to catch you in the next video.
Yes, sir. Mahalo.
Peace.